All right, hello everybody. This is me doing a canvas lamp review. This is for artists everywhere. This is not only a lamp, but it's also something you can use to video record your different media from your phone. You can put your phone right on top of this lamp and you have a beautiful ring light camera going straight down. This is the canvas lamp, so I am so excited. I saw this reviewed so much on Facebook, and I really just wanted to see what it was all about. So here it is. It is the creator lamp. This creator lamp was something I really wanted to see, and here it is here for you guys. So the first things first, I am now unboxing the base. The base here is something that is made out of walnut, and I really wanted to see how it would look with my rest of my setup. So all right, so I'm unboxing the base, and here we go. You can see my reaction. I was so excited when I opened this. This looked exactly like it was on the internet. I saw this color, and I was like, this would be beautiful with my room. I have all white, but I really wanted a good pop of wood. So next is the big part. This part is the main part. If you want to pause, you can stop the video and read what they had to say. So here we go. We're going with the main part here. I was really wondering if this is going to work for my setup. And surprise, it did. But here we go. We're going to go ahead and remove all things, check out the light. And it went right into the base. Super simple. We have some different knobs we can tighten and loosen to make it easier or harder to move. And here we are. So here's the light, and I'm gonna go ahead and go through the accessories with you in a minute. So first accessory, we're gonna go, we do have the light switch light. We have the thing you can plug in, so we can plug it into the wall. We have the clamp mount. If we didn't want the base, we can just use the clamp mount to the edge of the table. You can pause to read again if you want to. This is just the instructional booklet it came with. And we're gonna go right into the other piece that I bought, which is the magnet that you can, instead of the clamp that you can clamp your phone to the top, you can magnetize it. I didn't have a magnet on my phone, so I'm gonna switch it back to the clamp. And the next part, this is the light. Woo! Oh my gosh, we have so many different light patterns, and you can move the light up and down. So here's the whole thing. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my next video for my art. I will be sticking around here, and you can catch me on my next video. Talk to you later. Bye.